Hello students, today in this lecture we are going to see next part of amines. That part is physical properties of amines. In this part, that is physical properties of amines, we are going to see four different points. First is the intermolecular forces present in amines. Second is boiling points of amines. Next one is solubility of amines. Last one is basic nature of amines. These 4 points we are going to discuss in details. But in today's lecture, we will only see first 3 points. One is intermolecular forces, another is boiling points, and next one is the solubility. This part, basic nature of amines, we will see in separate lecture. Now, you know amines are the compounds having nitrogen atom in their molecules. This is primary amine, this is secondary amine, and this is the tertiary amine. Primary amine contains NH2 group, secondary amine contains NH group, and tertiary amine contains only N. Here, in case of amines, nitrogen atom is bonded to hydrogen. That is, in primary amine, nitrogen is attached to 2 hydrogens. In secondary amine, nitrogen is attached to only 1 hydrogen. And in tertiary amine, nitrogen has no hydrogen. Tertiary मध्ये नायट्रोजनला हायड्रोजनच नाही. When we consider electronegativities of nitrogen and hydrogen, electronegativity of nitrogen is 3 units and that of hydrogen is 2.1 units. Difference in electronegativity is 0.9 units. Due to such a difference in electronegativity of nitrogen and hydrogen, the bond between nitrogen and hydrogen has polar character. That is, NH bond has polar character. You know, polar character means the bonds between these atoms, or bond between these 2 atoms, gives polarities, or the electronegativity difference in between these 2 atoms gives the polarities on these particular atoms. Nitrogen becomes partial negative and hydrogen becomes partial positive. Hence, this bond becomes polar. Here, RNH2 is primary amine, RNHR is secondary amine, RNRR is the tertiary amine. Primary and secondary amines have 2 and 1 hydrogens respectively. They show intermolecular hydrogen bonding also. Primary and secondary amines show intermolecular hydrogen bonding, as well as these primary and secondary amines or tertiary amines also. In between these 2 atoms there is difference of electronegativity of 0.9 units, hence bond becomes polar. The primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine of all these 3 compounds, primary and secondary amine, show more extent of hydrogen bonding than tertiary amine. Primary amine has highest intermolecular hydrogen bonding than secondary amine than tertiary amine. Means tertiary amine shows lowest possibility of intermolecular hydrogen bonding or no intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Hence, in these intermolecular forces, you should know that nitrogen and hydrogen have different electronegativities, and due to difference in electronegativities, the bond between nitrogen and hydrogen becomes polar bond. Nitrogen acquires partial negative charge, carbon acquires partial positive charge. This polar bond here we see this bond is the polar bond or bond has polar character. And just now I have told you the primary amine has 2 hydrogen atoms, secondary amine has only 1 hydrogen atom, and tertiary amine has no hydrogen atom. Hence, primary amine shows highest intermolecular hydrogen bonding capacity than secondary amine than the tertiary amine. After this first point, that is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, you should know in your book they have given how the hydrogen bonding takes place. This R, say N, then H, this is one amine, primary amine. Say this is second primary amine. R, say here is N, here is H, here is I. H of first molecule and N of second. पहिल्याचा H आणि दुसऱ्याचा N, त्याच्यामध्ये हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग तयार होते. हा दुसऱ्याचा H आणि तिसऱ्याचा N असं पण तुम्ही हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इथे दाखवू शकता. These are the hydrogen bonds. This hydrogen bonding is possible. More hydrogen bonding is possible in case of primary amine than secondary amine than tertiary amine. And intermolecular forces in between these amines, if we compare, there are strongest intermolecular forces in primary amine than secondary and than tertiary. After this, we will go to the next part, that is the boiling points of these primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Boiling points आपण जेव्हा विचार करतो प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी आणि टर्शियरी अमाइनच्या, तेव्हा ज्याच्यामध्ये जास्त हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होऊ शकतं त्याचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट जास्त असतो. हियर देयर आर 2 हायड्रोजन्स अटॅच्ड हायड्रोजन, हियर इज 1 हायड्रोजन अटॅच्ड हायड्रोजन, हियर इज नो हायड्रोजन अटॅच्ड हायड्रोजन. As the number of hydrogens attached to nitrogen increases, possibility of hydrogen bonding is more. Means more hydrogen bonding is possible in case of primary amines. Here less hydrogen bonding is observed. Here no H bonding is observed. You should take into consideration that more the hydrogen bonding, more is the boiling point. म्हणून primary amine has highest boiling point than secondary amine than tertiary amine. amine मध्ये प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी, टर्शियरीची तुलना जर केली तर प्रायमरी अमाइनचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सगळ्यात जास्त असतो, सेकंडरीचा थोडा कमी, टर्शियरीचा अजून कमी. इन केस ऑफ आइसोमेरिक अमाइन्स, से ब्यूटाइल अमाइन C4H9 NH2 or C4H11N, this formula represents 4 isomeric amines. One is N-butyl amine, another is isobutyl amine, next one is secondary butyl amine, and last one is tertiary butyl amine. Out of these 4, N-butyl, isobutyl, secondary butyl, tertiary butyl, where there is the primary amine, the boiling point of that amine will be highest. They have given one table in our book of boiling points. In that table, you can consider how the boiling point varies as compound changes from primary amine to secondary amine to tertiary amine. Here they have given us, see, primary amine has higher boiling point than secondary than tertiary. It is explained on the basis of intermolecular forces. Boiling points of alcohol, then alkane, amine of comparable molecular masses, they are given in the order that alcohols have highest boiling points आपण जर तिघांची तुलना केली, से अल्केन, देन अमाइन and they say alcohol. अल्केन, अमाइन आणि अल्कोहोल याची जर आपण बॉइलिंग पॉइंटची तुलना केली तर अल्कोहोल्स have highest boiling points, then amines have lower boiling points than alcohols but higher boiling points than alkanes. Alkanes have lowest boiling points. Alkanes have lowest boiling points. Here alcohols have highest boiling points. तर तुम्हाला लोएस्ट आणि हायेस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स तो पार्ट पण विचारात घ्यायचा आहे. याच्या Hello students, see further part we are going to see, that is the state, color and odor of these amines. Lower amines, that is amines having low molecular weight, they are gases, they have fishy smell. The gases असतात त्यांना fishy smell असतो. Middle amines, they are liquid in state and higher amines are in solid state. परीक्षेमध्ये विचारलं जातं amines have dash dash smell. Lower amines have fishy smell, means fish like smell. Further, these higher amines are solids, middle amines are liquids and lower amines are gaseous in state. After that you have to see that these amines are colorless. These amines are colorless, but aniline and aryl amines, though they are colorless, they get colored as they get oxidized easily by air. Means aniline and other aromatic amines or aryl amines, when exposed to air, they get color. असताना ते कलरलेस असतात, पण ते जेव्हा एअरला एक्सपोज होतात तेव्हा त्यांना रंग येऊ शकतो. असं तुम्हाला ते पाहायचं होतं. आपण या पॉइंट मध्ये स्टेट सॉलिड का लिक्विड का गॅस ते पाहिलं, कलर कसला आहे अमाइन्सचा ते पाहिलं, ओडर लोअर अमाइन्सनाच असतो, हायर अमाइन्स या नो ओडर, दे आर odorless. After this we will go to the further part, that is the solubility. You know organic compounds are generally soluble in organic solvents. Organic compound म्हटलं की ते organic compound हे organic solvent मध्ये soluble असतं. Amine may be primary, that is RNH2, may be secondary RNHR, or may be tertiary R3N, may be primary or secondary or tertiary. Amines have nitrogen atom, nitrogen has a lone pair. Primary amine has two hydrogen atoms attached to nitrogen, secondary amine has one hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen, tertiary has no hydrogen. But due to NC bond, due to NC means nitrogen carbon bond, this molecule becomes polar and the forces are there, or intermolecular forces are there due to this polarity of molecule. But when we see the point solubility, the compound which forms hydrogen bonds with water, compound that forms hydrogen bonds with water is water soluble, say RNH, then H. This RNH2 means amine forms hydrogen bond with water. How? Hydrogen of amine forms bond with oxygen of water. This is partially positive, this is partial negative. This bond we call it as hydrogen bond. Means amine can form hydrogen bond with water. One hydrogen bonds with one water molecule, another hydrogen bonds with another water molecule. This is partial negative, this is partial positive, this is also hydrogen bond. Means primary amine, since carries two hydrogens attached to nitrogen, has two hydrogen bonds with water. Secondary amine will form one hydrogen bond with water, while tertiary amine will form no hydrogen bond with water. Means primary amine forms more the number of hydrogen bonds with water, hence it is more soluble in water. Amine म्हणजे प्रायमरी अमाइन जास्त सोल्युबल असेल, त्यात अल्काइल ग्रुप एकच असेल, हायड्रोकार्बन पार्ट हा एकच असेल, त्याच्यामध्ये हायड्रोकार्बन पार्ट असणारे दोन R असणार आहे, त्यामध्ये सोल्युबिलिटी कमी होते, हायड्रोफोबिक पार्ट वाढतो आणि तर तीन अल्काइल ग्रुप असणार आहे म्हणून हायड्रोफोबिक पार्ट अजून वाढतो, सोल्युबिलिटी अजून कमी होते. When we compare the solubility of alkane, alcohol and amine, solubility of alkane, alcohol and amine of comparable molecular masses, this alcohol is highly soluble or highest solubility. Alcohol ची solubility highest असणार, alkane is lowest soluble or its solubility is lowest, and this anilene shows middle solubility, that is in between alkane and alcohol. Order लिहायचं म्हटलं तर असे लिहा, alcohol is highly soluble in water, then amine, then alkane. Highest solubility असणार अल्कोहोलची आणि लोएस्ट सोल्युबिलिटी असणार अल्केनची. तर परीक्षेमध्ये विचारलं जातं सोल्युबिलिटीच्या बाबतीत, जर कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड आपण म्हणालो तर कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड अजून स्ट्रॉंग हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग करतं. हियर आय विल राइट कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड्स, इट विल हॅव हायेस्ट solubility in water. In your book they have given a table of boiling point of alcohols, then alkanes and amines. In that boiling point part you will see comparable molecular mass having amines, acids, alcohols and alkanes. If we compare, the boiling point of carboxylic acids is highest. ऍसिडच्या boiling point चा विचार केला तर BP, जर आपण विचार केला तर acids have highest BP than alcohols, than amines, than alkanes. BP आणि solubility म्हटलं त्या कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिडची solubility जास्त असणार आहे, त्यांनी solubility मध्ये ऍसिडचा उल्लेख केलेला नाही, फक्त अल्कोहोल, अमाइन आणि अल्केन दिलेले आहे. तर या अल्कोहोल, अमाइन आणि अल्केन पैकी अल्कोहोल हॅज हायेस्ट solubility in water and this alkane has lowest solubility in water, highest and lowest. You should know the solubility depends upon the hydrogen bonding. More the hydrogen bonding, more is the solubility of that compound. Again, boiling point also depends upon the hydrogen bonding. More the hydrogen bonding, more is the boiling point. मग तुम्हाला त्यानुसार ऍसिडचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सगळ्यात जास्त दिसतो, त्याच्यानंतर त्याच्यापेक्षा कमी अल्कोहोलचा, त्याच्यानंतर अमाइनचा आणि सगळ्यात कमी कोणाचा असतो, अल्केनचा असतो. Thus they have given us two orders, one is solubility order, another is boiling point order. तर boiling point ची ऑर्डर येते ऍसिड, अल्कोहोल, अमाइन, अल्केन अशी येते, आणि जी ऑर्डर आहे ती solubility जी आहे, solubilityच्या ऑर्डरमध्ये तुम्हाला असं पाहता येतं, अल्कोहोल is having highest solubility than amine, than alkane. Here up till now we have seen 3 points. One is intermolecular forces, another is boiling points, next one is the solubility of amines in water. One more important point we have to see in next lecture is basic nature of amines. There is always question in examination for 2 marks on this basic nature of amines. We'll discuss it in next lecture. Today in this lecture we are going to stop here.